a nice monomeric, inexpensive adhesive vinyl from the folks over at Avery. This is the Avery 3303. The 3303 is a classic, inexpensive, monomeric vinyl that's designed for decals and print and cut and stickers. It's inexpensive, it's easy to use, it's indoor and short-term outdoor. It's what you buy when you're just looking for a straight, everyday, productive adhesive vinyl to do print and cut. One note on the Avery, which is true of all monomeric vinyls: they can be temperature sensitive. So just make sure that you have a lower temperature signature, you don't run it too hot, and then you adjust your ink and your speed accordingly. I tend to run this product a little closer to 200 to 205 degrees because I want to make sure that it lays nice and flat and I don't have any deformation going into my cutter. As long as I do that, I really don't have any issues. It's a nice product. It's been reliable for a long time. It's widely used. The Avery 3303. This is the gloss version. They also have a matte version. Both highly recommended. Also certified, available straight to download into your printer. We'll be running this at most of our trade shows. We have for years. It's a great choice for print and cut applications.